Kimura Solo. The handcrafted solid resin design meets the signature dynamic driver, creating the optimal chamber for audio clarity and snappy bass. The included Kimura microphone ensures this sleek in-ear headset is the ultimate starting point for gamers, workers, and audiophiles alike. In-ear monitors are a form of earphones that are inserted into the ear canal. Paired with a handmade resin housing and premium ear tips, they create an optimal chamber for both audio quality and noise isolation. The Kimura Solo features a single premium dynamic driver for bass-driven perfection. The Kimura microphone is the cornerstone of the Kimura line. Don't underestimate the size. This little mic delivers an incredible signal-to-noise ratio, and the behind-ear design ensures it won't pull on your IEMs. When you're ready to advance, the Kimura microphone can reattach to any MMCX earphones, ensuring your new in-ear obsession will always be ready. The top-of-the-line dynamic driver delivers a wide soundstage with fantastic bass response. The superior noise isolation from the IEM design combines with this driver to create an incredible immersive sound. The 3.5 termination and included Y adapter ensures the Kimura is ready for any game console, PC, and more. Pick up the famous USB adapter for the ultimate quality boost. This entire audio was recorded using the Kimura Solo. Hope you like it.